Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home improvement and garden aesthetic. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are tired of spending hours pulling weeds, replacing faded mulch every spring, or watching your garden beds wash away in the heavy rain, you have tuned into the right place today. Landscaping your outdoor space does not have to be an ongoing high-maintenance chore that drains your weekends and your wallet. In this video, we are diving deep into one of the most stunning, versatile, and durable landscape elements available: river rocks. Get ready to discover how these natural, smooth stones can completely elevate your home's curb appeal, transform boring drainage ditches into breathtaking focal points, and give you the lush, resort-style yard you have always dreamed of with practically zero upkeep. River rock landscaping refers to the design practice of using smooth, naturally rounded stones, typically harvested from riverbeds or produced through tumbling processes, to cover soil, create garden paths, define borders, and form functional drainage systems throughout your yard. Choosing river rock over traditional wood mulch or bare soil offers an unbeatable combination of beauty and practical longevity. Unlike wood mulch, river rocks never decompose, fade, or break down over time, meaning you only have to buy and lay them down once for years of continuous beauty. They provide outstanding weed control, protect topsoil from erosion during heavy downpours, improve drainage, and can withstand extreme weather, heavy foot traffic, and hungry garden pests. Beyond their sheer durability, river rocks come in a rich variety of natural colors, textures, and sizes that add depth, structural contrast, and an elevated, modern touch to any architectural style. Add an organic feel to your outdoor space with river rock landscaping ideas. From small pea gravel to stones and larger rocks and boulders, river rocks get their smooth, rounded edges from the movement of water in natural riverbeds. Use river rock landscaping to add a natural feel to outdoor features such as walkways, edging, garden beds or containers, gravel patios, and more. Here are top 10 best river rock landscaping ideas in a range of settings and designs to inspire you. One. Stone path, pea gravel and rock garden path. This stone path combines two sizes and colorways of river rock, tan pea gravel and gray stones, with large natural pavers. Dividers separate mulched areas from gravel to keep things looking neat. 2. Gravel patio, granite and gravel patio. This minimalist-style seating area features a long fire feature and modern wicker chairs on a simple pea gravel patio. Installing landscape edging made of granite and slabs for stairs makes for a sleek, clean look. 3. Dry riverbed for drainage, river rock and green plants. If your property has drainage issues or sloping areas where runoff is a problem, creating a dry riverbed can help, in addition to being a beautiful addition to your landscape. This version uses different sizes of river to create a stable bed, and is anchored further with lush plantings. 4. Gravel fire pit area, gravel walkway with fire pit. This path ending in a round seating area is a clever use of space in this narrow yard. The shrubs provide privacy and the ending keeps the gravel in place. The stone fire dish completes this simple, functional design. 5. Patio container garden, gravel patio design ideas. If you long for an outdoor garden space but don't have good soil or time for maintenance, consider a gravel patio seating area with potted plants. This one also has oblong wood planters with Mediterranean herbs. 6. Pea gravel path, pea gravel and brick path. Once your surface is level, making a gravel path only requires some landscaping fabric, an optional layer of sand, some rocks or bricks for edging, and a rake to spread the gravel. It's a project that can be done in a day and will vastly improve the form and function of your garden. Pea gravel makes for a comfy, ergonomic walking surface too. 7. Colorful river rock garden, pea gravel and stones. Your local supplier may have a wide variety of sizes, textures and colors available for a rock garden, including matte surface river rock or shiny stones, and colors ranging from white to black, gray, tan, blue, purple, or even pink. 8. Pea gravel driveway. Pea gravel driveway landscaping ideas. Gravel is an excellent, easy-to-use material for a driveway or walkway and can be simpler to maintain than asphalt in areas that freeze in winter. Gravel's lighter colors also provide a different and somewhat warmer aesthetic compared to blacktop. The pea gravel here works well with the large slates to create a patio area at the entrance to this house. 9. Rock garden ground covers. Rock garden with gravel and larger rocks and creeping ground cover plants. An easy and attractive garden design can be made with pea gravel, larger river rocks, and a selection of creeping ground covers. Choose ground covers that like good drainage and don't need too much water, like creeping phlox, creeping sedums, dianthus, and creeping bellflowers/campanula. These are all perennials that can be deadheaded and divided easily. 10. Weed-free flower beds. Garden bed with paver edging and gravel over landscaping fabric and plants. This flower bed in progress uses landscaping fabric with holes for plants and river rock gravel instead of mulch for a clean look that works to keep weeds at a minimum. Not all plants are suited to this type of planting and prefer a more traditional soil culture. But many plants adapt well, including many shrubs and most drought-tolerant plants such as sedums and salvias. Incorporating river rocks into your yard is one of the smartest, most cost-effective investments you can make to elevate your outdoor aesthetic while slashing your maintenance routine down to almost nothing. Whether you choose to create a dramatic dry creek bed, replace high-maintenance lawn space with an elegant rock garden, or frame your favorite flower beds with smooth contrast borders, these natural stones offer timeless charm that only gets better with time. The possibilities truly are endless, and with just a bit of planning and creativity, you can design a resilient, eye-catching landscape that becomes the envy of your entire neighborhood. If you found these river rock landscaping ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home and garden tips. Drop a comment down below letting us know which river rock design was your absolute favorite, or share how you plan to use stones in your own yard. Click that notification bell so you never miss a fresh video update, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.